Lou, how's my favorite landscaper doing?
Bianca, well, butter my feet and take me ice skating. How are you?
Oh, Lou, you always did have a way with words. I'm doing great, but more importantly, how are you? How's the business?
Things are going great. After we landed that apartment complex job, 3 more complexes hired us. Now we're busier than ever, booked solid through the rest of the year.
Lou, that's great. So, I gotta ask, how are your books looking? You didn't go back to your shoe boxes, did you?
No. I've been keeping up with them. I got a new system. Everything gets entered right away, and I even reconcile my books every month. I don't want to incur the wrath of Bianca again. One thing that has been bugging me, though, is... Yeah, never mind.
What is it, Lou? You know you can be straight with me.
Well, when things were smaller, I had a pretty good idea how my business was doing from a money-making standpoint. But now that things have grown, I just don't feel like I know how we're really doing. I mean, I got money in the bank, but I just really don't know if we're doing as well as we should be doing, you know?
I get that. It can be tough to stay on top of everything as you grow. Have you taken a look at your income statement to check your profit margins?
My what? I thought the income statement was just, for taxes and stuff.
Oh, Lou. Looks like we should get the band back together. There are a lot of business owners out there that don't realize the amount of information they can gain by analyzing their income statement. Like Lou, most just see it as another form that they have to do for tax purposes. But hey, that's why they have bookkeepers like us. Now, in the bookkeeping world, we sometimes use what is called ratio analysis to look at the income statement to get a sense of not just how profitable the business is, but also to determine how efficiently the business is operating. The beauty of digging into the income statement this way is that business owners can use that information to help them make decisions regarding things like pricing of goods and services. Look at where their areas of profitability are, and even determine where they could cut costs if needed. In other words, by using ratio analysis, a business can get a peek at the gears that are driving the business.